everybody. I'm Justin McDonald for The Yurt and Yurt So Good. And you know what? It's time for My Favorite Memes. This is the short form feature where we explore the meme world. We only need a few seconds to think and laugh and judge all at the same time. That's how it works. This week we're going to explore recipe memes, as I like to call them. It's a minor trend I find hilarious yet very stupid all at the same time. Just the way it works. Let's get started here. We're going to go with meme number 1. Hot dogs in the coffee maker. Now, this one kind of hits home because I'm guilty. I've done it. Yes, I've actually done this. And it does work to some extent, but don't judge me, all right? But that's meme number 1. We love these recipe memes. Meme number 2, 2 pieces of bread and a small piece of cheese. I really like this minimal theme as a joke. Unfortunately, I've been to some sandwich shops lately that this is pretty much what you're getting for 12 or 15 bucks. So, terrible. Meme number 3, more hot dogs. I can't help myself, I love hot dogs. But this time we're gonna mix it with corn on the cob on the stovetop, and we have corn dogs. That's right. Follow me for more recipes. Recipe memes, you know, be on the lookout for them. They're funny, they're hilarious. Sometimes they're just absolutely stupid, but check them out, all right? Thanks for checking out My Favorite Memes right here on the Yurt So Good YouTube channel and on the JustinMcDonaldShow.com page. Please go there as much as you possibly can and check out everything. I'd really like that. Also, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and of course, YouTube. Till next time, peace.